Hi, Adam here with Vintique Motors. I'm going to show you guys a little cold start video on this 42 Harley-Davidson. We got our 46 Goulding Rocket sidecar attached to it. And it's a little rainy outside today, so we got about 60 feet of runway. We'll show you that it does operate and move. So we'll give you the rundown of the starting procedure and a little bit of movement with the bike. Right now, it's a 1 mile bike. It was restored, as you've all seen in the comments and the description. Restored in the very early 2000s, came out of Alaska. The sidecar was found in California and restored during the same time period. Just tons and tons of individual history with the sidecar and with the Harley itself being a 42 civilian model, extremely rare. So with that, let's do a little startup procedure. So we'll turn on our fuel here. Before we get power, prime it a couple times. And then we'll give it the power. We'll set the timing. There you have it, 42 Harley, cold start, a little bit of movement on a rainy Michigan day. I think we got a couple days left in the auction. So if anybody has any direct questions, you can always go to our website, www.vintiquemotors.biz, B-I-Z. We got our phone number on there. It's a direct line right to me. So if you have any individual questions, you want to contact me directly, you can do that, or through the contact button on Bring a Trailer. I wish everyone good luck bidding. Bid heavy, bid often. It's a great bike. Literally can't be reproduced. There's a one-on-one combo here. So good luck to everybody.